If every side hustle you've ever tried is too complicated, too expensive, or too confusing, and you're honestly just thinking about giving up on the whole idea, well, this video is going to change that. I'm going to show you the simplest online business model I've ever seen. It only costs $9 a month to start, works in any niche, and you can launch it this weekend. I've made over $500,000 in the past 2 years using this exact same model, and I'm also helping over 220 other people use this exact same model to turn their side hustles into a full-time business. Now let me show you exactly how this works. Here's the entire business model, and I can explain it in around 60 seconds. First, you set up a free online community around a topic that you're skilled at or deeply passionate about on a platform called Skool. It only costs $9 a month to get started, and you can get a 14-day trial to test it out. People start to join your community because they're interested in the topic that you're talking about. Inside of your community, you share content, you answer questions, you create a simple course, and maybe do a weekly call. And as this free community grows, there are multiple ways to monetize it. First of all, you can sell courses. You can offer a paid membership tier where you offer a monthly or annual subscription and you start to generate monthly recurring revenue. You can run live online events and charge for those. You can sell services, lots of different options. And you can do all of this inside of the free community that you just created. You don't need to create a website, you don't need another funnel, and there's no complicated software. Skool handles all the logistics for one simple $9 a month fee. That's the whole model. Start a free community, build an audience around a topic that you're really good at or deeply passionate about, and then monetize it in any way that makes sense to you. Now, if you're thinking that this only works for business coaches or people in the make money online space, I'm about to prove to you that this can work in almost any niche. Here's a guy teaching Japanese and he's making $19,000 a month. Here's a couple that's teaching salsa dancing, making $35,000 a month. A community where you can learn to play the drums, making $13,000 a month. A community of skiers making $10,000 a month. And here's a super interesting one, a community for veterinarians for exotic animals making $23,000 a month. And I could keep going. There's hundreds of examples just like this, where real people are making real money right now, and not a single one of them is in the make money online space. And they all started the exact same way. They picked a topic that they were skilled at or passionate about, they built a free community, they helped people, and then they upgraded some of those people to their paid stuff. So the model works, but the big question that everybody asks is, what do I create my community about? This is where a lot of people get stuck, but it's actually the easiest part if you look at it the right way. When it comes to starting your free community, there are really two paths you can take, and both of them will work. Path one, you're already the expert. You've built a skill in a certain area. You've gotten results for yourself or your clients. You're the guide who's been there and done that. Think about a personal trainer who's absolutely ripped and they've helped hundreds of other people lose weight, or maybe like the real estate agent who's sold hundreds of millions of dollars in deals, or a photographer who's been in the business for over 10 years. You're teaching people how to achieve something that you've already achieved for yourself. Path two is where you're extremely passionate about something, but you're not yet the expert. Maybe you have a deep interest in something and you're almost obsessed with it, but you haven't yet mastered it. And that's totally fine. In this approach, your job is to document your journey of becoming the expert. As you learn more, as you build your skills, you share that progress and help people that are one step behind you. Some of the most successful communities on Skool were started by people that were just passionate about a subject and learning out loud. So the key question that you need to ask yourself is, what problem am I interested in helping people solve? Not just I like this topic, but what problem are you going to solve for people? Are you super passionate about makeup and you want to help women create their makeup routine? Are you an expert chess player that wants to help other people improve their rankings? Are you passionate about an AI tool that you want to turn into a career, and then maybe you can document your journey so that others can kind of follow along? Every single one of those is an idea for a community where you could be making money. In fact, they already are. Here's that community helping women with their makeup routine. Here's a community teaching people how to play chess that's absolutely crushing it. And there are multiple communities in the AI space that are just making a ridiculous amount of money every month. It's never been easier to make money online. So step one is to choose the problem that you're going to solve. So once you know the problem, the next question is, who exactly are you solving that problem for? The more specific you can get with this, the better. So for example, a person starting a dog training community might focus on first-time dog owners with puppies. Or a real estate agent who wants to start a community might focus on brand new agents who want to close their first 10 deals. See how specific those two examples are? And that level of specificity matters because the more specific you are with who you're talking to, the more your marketing and sales will actually resonate. Because you're speaking their language, you're addressing their exact frustrations, and you're showing them that you truly understand where they are right now. So a dog owner that's trying to train a rescue dog is going to have much different pain points than someone who's trying to train their puppy. And a beginner real estate agent is going to have much different pain points than a real estate agent that's already making $100,000 a year. So I want you to try to identify the ideal member that you want to attract to your community. And if you're struggling to try to figure this out, I've actually created an AI prompt that will help you figure this out in about 30 seconds. All right, so for this prompt, I like to use ChatGPT. So I want you to go to ChatGPT and I want you to type in this prompt. I help avatar get result. And you can be very broad with this. ChatGPT is actually going to take that statement and help you to pull out the different segments. Can you help me identify different audience segments who would be interested in my help? All right, so let's do this for the dog training niche. Here's the prompt. I help people train their dogs. Can you help me identify different audience segments who would be interested in my help? So the first one we have is new puppy owners. Then we have first-time dog owners. We have families with kids. We have busy professionals, rescue dog adopters. Can we agree that a new puppy owner is going to have much different pain points and needs than somebody who is adopting a dog, a rescue dog, for the first time? A lot of times, rescue dogs have different trauma that's happened to them in the past from previous owners. That's going to be a much different experience than somebody who's just got a brand new puppy that's learning for the first time. So you can see how these different audience segments can differ from each other. So what I want you to do is use that prompt, go through the list, and identify the ideal community member that you want inside of your community based on that list, the ones that you think that you can help the most. And if you need that prompt, I'll actually drop it in the description of this video so you can just take it and copy and paste it into ChatGPT. All right, so now that you know what your community is going to be about, you know who your ideal members are going to be, it's time to start setting up your community. To do that, I've actually created a full Skool community setup video and checklist that's going to take you step by step through everything that you need to do to get your community set up the right way from the beginning in about 30 minutes. I'll drop a link in the description so you can check that video out and get your community set up right away after you watch this video. To do that, you're going to be creating content for social media or YouTube. And I'm about to give you an AI shortcut that's going to help you to come up with all the content that you're going to be posting to get people to join your community. All right, so for this AI shortcut, we're going to go back over to ChatGPT and I want you to paste in this prompt. And in this prompt, we're going to be using the specific ideal member that you chose from the last AI prompt. Here's our example from the dog training niche. I help first-time dog owners train their puppies to be well-behaved. What are the 10 biggest pain points they're experiencing? What are the 10 biggest false beliefs they tell themselves? And what are the 10 most common questions that they're asking online? So this is going to give you 30 different ideas of real pain points that these dog owners are experiencing. And if we look through some of these biggest pain points, you can see that they're very specific to puppy owners, right? These are very different from like a rescue dog. And so this is going to give you an entire month's worth of content in less than a minute. Each topic could become a YouTube video, an Instagram reel, or a TikTok, or a carousel. And every piece of content that you create, you're going to point back to your free community. So you just built an entire month's content strategy that's going to help you to grow your community in less than 2 minutes. All right, so now that you've got your community dialed in, you've got a content strategy that's going to help you to grow your community, let's take a look at what some of the real math could look like, because that's what's going to make it real to you. This is the part that made me realize that this model beats everything else I've tried. Let's say you start posting content, people start finding your community and joining, and you get your first 100 members, and that's not a crazy number. You could easily get 100 new members inside of your free community if you post content consistently in the first 2 months, if not sooner. Now, we found that out of every 100 members, about 5% of those people are going to upgrade to your paid stuff. And that is a conservative number. So with those numbers, you're going to have 5 paying members. So let's say you hit those numbers and in your first 2 months, you now have 5 paying members paying you $50 a month. So that's $250 a month in monthly recurring revenue, which means it's going to be there the next month. And you keep going, you keep posting content, and now your content starts to compound. And so your traffic starts to grow faster. Now you're able to get 500 new members into your free community, and about 0.05 of those are going to upgrade to your paid membership. Now you have 25 new members plus the 5 that you got previously, so plus 5 times 50, which is your paid subscription, you're now at $1,500 a month in your first 4 months of owning the business. Still nothing crazy, but you're starting to get way better at content, so your traffic is starting to grow faster and really starting to take off. Now you're adding 1,000 new members every 2 months, and we're converting about 0.05% of those people. And so that is 50 new members plus our 30 members we've gotten earlier times 50. And now in our first 6 months of owning this business, we're already making $4,000 a month. And if you keep showing up, you keep staying consistent, you're going to get way better at content. Your traffic's going to really take off, and you could easily be at $10,000 a month with this business in your first 12 months. I want you to think about that for 1 second. You invested $9 a month to build a $10,000 a month business. No inventory, no shipping, no complicated tech or ad spend to get started. Your overhead is basically nothing. Now compare that to every other business model that you've looked at online. You got drop shipping, you've got Amazon FBA, you've got building agencies. Those all cost way more money, time, and energy. The math on this just makes sense. And what's awesome is that you can start this type of business in your spare time as a side hustle until you can replace your income to go full time. I've made over $500,000 with this model. I've watched hundreds of people build communities online around pickleball, chess, foreign language, and tons of other niches that have nothing to do with make money online. So no matter what your niche is, this model can work. So if you're interested in learning how to start your own community, I created a free course called Community. It's going to show you exactly how to start a brand new community and get your first 100 members in just 10 days. I'll drop a link in the description so you can join our free community and get instant access. So I'll see you there.